Ever found yourself in a quandary, wishing for a knowledgeable soul to guide you through? Welcome to the world of Znatko, your online sanctuary of wisdom, offering you a community of experts at your fingertips. Znatko is a beacon of free knowledge, a Q&A service that connects you with a broad network of experts. Whether you're seeking advice on your latest DIY project or probing for insights into the mysteries of quantum physics, our community is here to enlighten your journey. But Znatko isn't just about answering your questions. It's a melting pot of perspectives, a media platform that offers both mainstream and alternative viewpoints on the latest news topics. Whether you're interested in the global economy's pulse or the local art scene's heartbeat, Znatko has got you covered. The beauty of Znatko lies in its simplicity. It's as easy as typing in a question, and before you know it, you're engaged in a meaningful conversation with an expert. But the benefits don't stop at gaining knowledge. You're becoming part of a vibrant community, sharing insights and fostering connections that extend far beyond the digital realm. And the best part? It's completely free. Znatko believes in the power of shared knowledge and the importance of accessible information. We're all about breaking down barriers and building bridges of understanding. Scene script: Znatko is more than a service, it's a movement. A movement that champions curiosity, values expertise, and celebrates diversity of thought. It's a place where you can engage, learn, and contribute, all while being part of a dynamic community. So why wait? Embrace your curiosity, fuel your thirst for knowledge, and join the Znatko community today. Register your real name account and embark on a journey of discovery. Welcome to the world of Znatko, where every question leads to a new adventure. Your adventure starts now.